What's up, bros? I know I'm 5 months late with this video. I took a little break from YouTube this summer, but I'm back. In my last video you already saw the test fit of the Nismo rear bumper. Alter. Perfect. Richtig nice. In this video we prepared for the assembly. This video could be a little bit random, but here it is. Alright, bumper is back from the paint shop. I cleaned all the parts which are attached to the bumper. I will change the whole hardware, all bolts, all nuts, everything new with stainless steel. I also changed these fucking clips which are horrible to reach. We also painted that mounting brackets in Nissan GTR grey because they were a little bit rusty. You don't see it, but I want it to be perfect and I don't want rust on my car. These mounting brackets are rivet to the bumper, but I don't want to use rivets, so I use these bolts instead. So I also changed these clips. This is the honeycomb grid which I will glue to the air vents. Okay, let's attach all these things.
Steady stacking on my success, see. Running freely, chasing demons, revealing the feeling, bless me. None of you motherfuckers impress me. Love is only depressing, nevertheless I'm blessed, see. I know you sit above. Love's sick and I'm sick of love. But don't sit in it, there is never residual. Love ain't always reciprocal, nihilism is cynical. Empty canvas and menace, the menace that you speak of. Promise that you're not careless and precious for you, my love. Precious for you, my love. Precious for you, my love.
I've taped the outside of the bumper so no glue will drip on it. After cutting the grid, it fits perfect. I can even use the center pins. Alright, next step is mock it up with some blue tape and glue it on the bumper.
Pull up in that rooster till we wake the fucking hood up. Got all these fast enough. I was busy picking up the shards, wanted to leave my past, but now I found another start. And I think I'll be right back at the bottom. Yeah, I miss the seaside, I wanna drown in the water. Accept me with all that trouble that I'm about to cause. See right through your face to get what it is that I wanted to chase. Left me somewhere outside your place, and now it's my turn to take my time and make the change. And I think I'll be right back at the bottom. Yeah, I miss the seaside, I wanna drown in the water. Accept me with all that trouble that I'm about to cause. Spoil my time and twist my tongue. Give me some. All the thoughts that let you run, lost my visions in the sun. Spoil my time, twist my tongue. Give me dimmer, give me some. I fight the first shot, but then I get it done.
Grundierung muss jetzt 2 Stunden trocknen, deswegen gesagt.
Why should I try to stay inside your shoes? I find the first shot in black red innocent moonlight. Yeah, why should I try